Hi everyone, today I'm going to do this beautiful pattern. It's called diagonals. It's only 8 row patterns. We are using knit and purl. We are not using any complicated stitches. And right side, this is the back side. And let's begin. For this pattern I need multiples of 8 plus 6 stitches. I took 32 stitches because 3 I get 8 multiples of 3 plus 6 is 30, and then 2 selvage stitches, and I have 32 stitches. First row I'm going to do purl 3 first. This is my selvage stitch. I do first one thing, and now I'm starting my pattern. I need to do 3 purls. 1, 2, 3. 3 purls. Now I am going to repeat my section. Repeat section. It's knit 5, purl 3. Knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 5, purl 3. Purl 3. 1, 2, 3. Again I am repeat section, purl 5. Knit 5, purl 3. After repeating my stitches, I left over 3 stitches. I am going to do knit 3 stitch, last 3 stitch. 1 knit, 2 knit, 3 knit, and this is my selvage stitch. I am going to purl always my selvage stitch. Okay. Now I am going to do my second row. Second row is first purl 4, and I'm not starting repeat. I'm going to remove my, I'm not doing anything for my selvage stitch. I am now starting doing my pattern. I need to do 4 purls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I am starting my repeat section. Repeat section I am going to do knit 3, purl 5. Knit 3. 1, 2, 3. Knit 3, purl 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again knit 3, purl 5. And I have left over 2 stitches. I am going to do knit these 2 stitches. Knit 2, and this is my selvage stitch. I am going to purl my selvage stitch. I am always purling my selvage stitch. Now I am going to do my third row. Third row I am going to do, first one is purl 1, knit 5. This is my selvage stitch. I am doing nothing. I am going to skip it, and I am starting purl 1, purl 1 and knit 5. 1, oops, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 5. Now I am going to start my repeating section. Repeat section I am going to do 3 purl. 1, 2, 3. 3 purl and 5 knits. 1 2 3 4 5, and again knit 5, and my selvage stitch I am going to purl over my selvage stitch. Now I am going to start row 4. Row 4 I am going to first do knit 1, then purl 5 first. This is my selvage stitch. I am doing nothing, I skip it, and I am going to do knit 1, second one knit 1, and then purl 5. 1 2 3 4 5, purl 5. Now I am going to start my repeating section. Repeating section I am going to do knit 3, purl 5, knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, purl 5, 1 2 3 4 5, again knit 3, purl 5. Now I am going to start row 5. Row 5 I need to do first knit 4 knits. This is I skip my selvage stitch, and I am going to start 4 knit. 1 knit, 2 3 4, 4 knits, and after that I am going to start my repeating section. Repeating section I am going to do 3 purls and 5 knits. First I am going to do 3 purls. 1 2 3, 3 purls and 5 knits. 1 2 3 4 5, again you repeat 3 purl 5 knits, and end of the row we have 2 stitches left. This is my selvage stitch, 2 stitches left, and I'm going to do purl these 2 stitches. 1 2, this is my selvage stitch. I am always going to purl my selvage stitch. Okay, now I am going to start my row 6. Row 6 I need to do first 3 knits. This is my selvage stitch. I am not going to knit, I am skip it and start 3 knits. 1 2 3, 3 knits. Then I'm going to carry on my repeat section. Repeat section I am going to do 5 purls and 3 knits. 5 purls, 1 purl, 2 purl, 3 purl, and 5 purls, 3 4 5, 5 purls and 3 knits. 1 2 3, 3 knits, again 5 purls and 3 knits. End of the row I have 3 stitches left. I am going to do purl these 3 stitches. 1 2 3, and this is my selvage stitch. I am always going to purl. Now I am in row 7. I am going to do 2 knits and 3 purls first. This is my selvage stitch. I am skip it and I am start doing 2 knits. 1 2 and 3 purls. 1 2 3. And after that I'm going to start my repeat section. I'm going to do 5 knits and 3 purls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 knits and 3 purls. 1, 2, 3. Again 5 knit, 3 purls, and I have left 1 stitch there. I'm going to do knit last stitch. This is my salvage stitch. I'm going to purl my salvage always. And now I'm in the last row. Last row is row 8. I'm going to do, first I'm skip my salvage stitch, and then I'm going to do 2 purls, 1, 2 purls and 3 knits. 1, 2, 3 knits. After that I am going to follow my repeat section. I am going to follow 5 purls and 3 knits. 5 purls, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 purls and 3 knits. 1, 2, 3 knits, and again 5 purl, 3 knits. And I have left 1 stitch. I am going to do purl that stitch, and my salvage stitch I am going to purl always. And can you see my diagonals? I think you can see my diagonals now. Here, and this is the wrong side, and you can follow 1 to 8 rows. After few rows my diagonal pattern is look like this. Look at these my diagonals, and this is the right side, this is wrong side, and this is beautiful stitch pattern. You can do it for your jumpers and your top pattern and anything. You can use it with these diagonals. And if you have anything to ask or anything to comment, please comment in the comment section. And I hope you enjoy my video, and see you again.